I'm going to give you the introduction to signing up on Bumble because that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to just walk you through what I'm doing. This is the introduction to it, and I'm low tech, I'm old, so I don't know how to do it. I'm on my laptop, so here's what you do. Sorry, I can't show you the screenshot. So you type in Bumble, right, into the Google bar, and here's what. When you type it in, all these other things come up first. So make sure you're signing up for Bumble. All these other, dating.com, Eurodate. So scroll down past all these ads for other dating sites. And Bumble is a yellow circle. Looks like a bumblebee, black and yellow. So scroll down to that. Click on the Bumble date. And then it says make your next move. Right? Do you want to download or sign up? Okay. Let's find out a little bit about it first. Okay. It says they're not just for dating. You can meet somebody, find new friends, or make career moves, which is Bumble Biz, B-I-Z-Z, business, I guess. So I'm going to do meet somebody. I'd like to find, the love of my life. I'd like to date. But I'd also like to join up to find new friends on Bumble BFF. So I'm going to walk you through those. Okay. Dating. Here's what on Bumble. The women, we make the first move on Bumble. So if you're someone who doesn't want to message guys first, Bumble's not for you. Right? I like that idea because I don't like all these nitwits messaging me. Right? These, I don't know, guys who, obviously we're not a good match. They have muscles or whatever, So I like to make the first move. Plus I want a friend, so I'm going with Bumble. Okay.